Folks, today niko Naivasha in Nakuru County. Now I'm about to present to you some magnificent, exquisite one-bedroom Airbnbs, and let's check in right away. If you happen to be in Naivasha, the number is on your screen. Call that number to book these one bedrooms. Alright, now let's go. First things first, if you love a penthouse, then you are in luck, because my host has got two units here. They have this one and they also have another penthouse on that end. So I'm just going to check in, one of them, or we can still even have a look at both of them. Then when you come, you can always choose, the one that you like. So there we go. This is the unit, a one bedroom. It is so beautiful. Look at that, and cozy. Just a 3-seater couch there, and just some coffee table pale, and your entertainment on that end, a TV. I love that TV stand. It's just beautiful, and the wall decor behind there, the gypsum, lighting there in Nini. There's just so much to love in this crib. And then you have a kitchen here in case you like to cook from home. And of course, even, you have the utensils there, everything you need in the kitchen, iko hapa, for you to prepare your food. But if you don't wish to prepare your food, they have a menu here, okay, for some hotels, some local hotels. There they are, this menu here for some local hotels. So you can always make a call. Pilau plain, 300, pilau beef fry, 500, mixed tea is 100, like you see there. This other one, white tea 50, black tea 50. So typically, kama utai kupika kwa nyumba, you can always call from those outside catering, wakulete chakula kwa nyumba. Beautiful space. I really love the design of these one bedrooms. Upepo inakuja mingi, trying to block, the curtain is flying, trying to block the camera there, but this is what I wanted to show you, the view of the home from that angle. And then there is a balcony here. I really love this balcony, the way it is elongated there, and the views, by the way, of this balcony. And also from up here, I'm able to give you the proximity from the tarmac. That is Kenyatta Avenue, that one where you can see the lorry is passing, tarmac road. And then just somewhere there where that other lorry is where you turn left. If you're coming from Naivasha town, and you come through there and you come to our apartment where I am standing. And those are the views, of course, from these balconies. Kuna kafiti Naivasha, tupigie watu wa Naivasha makofi. They are trying, the town is growing. Naivasha town is growing, and I, as Ezra Ondara, should be coming here to do that series that I call Nakuru Beyond the City. So we cover Naivasha. Now, going back in like this, this place is just beautiful. It's amazing, amazing, amazing. Going back in like this, I come to this space, and what we have there is the washroom, the bathroom there. And of course, in the same room is where you'll have your shower. What do we have here? Yes, thank you. Shaving light iko hapo, pedestal sink iko hapo. Alafu nikienda hivi naingia sasa to the bedroom. Look at that beautiful space, and the bedroom is just spacious. That is a 5x6 bed, and you can see there is ample room inside the crib. They have done really nice decoration here. I'm inside Jamila Modern Homes. Even her towels, they are branded here, Jamila. You can see Jamila Modern Homes. They have branded even their towels. So you have that laundry table. Bas, piga nguo pasi. Ukienda mkutano, usikuje ukapatikana kwamba, nguo ziko na creases pale. Sindio? Very nice. There it is. I'm inside the bedroom. And of course, if you are coming for longer stays, you can see you have ample, space inside those wardrobes for your clothes and outfits. Si mambo iko sawa sawa. In fact, hata mimi leo nimepata mahali sasa. When I come to Naivasha, I'll definitely be checking out with Jamila. Nimwambie book me a unit hapo. I'm coming. Nieke unit hapo. So now, like I said, they have two units. So in case this one In fact, hakuna ile ambayo yezi kubamba. Let me just not say in case you don't like this, but let me just show you the other one as well. Okay? But all of them are just exquisite. So the other one, like I said, is on the opposite pale. Let's go there. Let's go there. Exactly. So we have option 2 right here. So the first difference that I noticed between this and the other one is that this one comes with a recliner. You know, the other one just comes with a normal sofa. Well, unless you are coming, unless you factor in the comfort of lifting up your legs kidogo pale, then obviously you may tell Jamila, nataka hiyo iko na recliner. You know, nataka ile iko na recliner ile. This one here, it comes with a recliner seats. All right, and then of course again the entertainment, it is right there, and I still love that TV stand. There is a fridge here, sizable fridge, you know, enough for a 1-bedroom furnished apartment like this one here for cozy living. You know, you have your utensils again pale, you have a 4-burner gas cooker. Kupika utapika vizuri, at least wamefanya vizuri sana. Naona hapo uko na majani, uko na sukari, uko na coffee. Hey, jameni. Si ndio? Starters. I can call them starters, eh? And then again, there's a massive balcony on this end. So maybe for someone like me, I may choose the other one because I feel for the views, I like what I see the other side than what I'm seeing on this side. So for me, I may choose this one here. Okay? And of course, the recliners, I don't know. Recliners si factor kwangu. Anyway, wewe, mimi nimekuwekea hapa. Wewe ndo ukuje hapa. Even the design of the home, jamani, angalia tu pale the interior, you know, decoration hapo kwa hii nyumba. It's just beautiful, you know. And then again, the washroom iko pale. And of course, we have the bedroom on this end. So if you're coming to Naivasha, whether for a meeting, whether with a friend, whether with your loved one, I'm telling you, call Jamila. The number is on the screen, Jamila Modern Homes. Okay? And get yourself a unit right here. The rooms are well lit. That's another thing that I really love. You know, the rooms are well lit. Again, you have the laundry table pale. Ample space in those wardrobes, you know, beautiful light, you know, you can see above there. Of course, being here, you'll just feel, wow. Exactly. So mpaka hapo, yep, mpaka hapo is when I say see you in the next one from right here in Naivasha inside Jamila Modern Homes. All right, subscribe to the channel for more content from Nakuru and beyond the city. See you in the next one.